Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
So people, this video is very disturbing to me. And it's not only the video disturbing, the thought I disturbing as well. I don't know if you saw this video I go around, but check it out. So that's at a intersection on Dunrabin Road. Busy Dunrabin Road. The man a do donut and a spin round. So on the highway, you see me? Him could have caused accident. That's dangerous and reckless driving. So that video went viral. And you know what the police force did? Hailed this man as an hero and did a press conference with him. Check out this video.
This is what you get when you're a celebrity.
I'm not proud of what I did.
You're not proud of what you did. Okay, so the background to this is that a few days ago we had an incident in which you showed your skills on the public road. I took an interest in it because I am head of public safety and traffic enforcement branch. I appreciate you coming in to see us today. And we had a conversation, and I suspect you have something to say.
Yes, I'm really sorry about this. I never really know it would really get big like this. I was just doing some fun with the car, it's a fast car. When I find out that it's something really wrong I did, so I'm so sorry about it, and it will never happen again.
I didn't have to.
Well, as I say, it's a fast car I'm driving, so when I put in a lock and power the car, it will turn. So you have to just know to counter the turn, and that's it. So
Like of motorists, the public?
well, when you're around the steering sometime it kind of gets you a little bit aggressive because the car is an aggressive car. So it make you do things where you don't really think it just happened. So you just go with the flow. But as I said, I'm really don't want me again.
Has it happened before this?
No.
And I won't allow you to ask him things that would incriminate himself. I'd like to take the opportunity to say to members of the public, this is what you do not do on the public roads. In this particular instance, what he did amounts to careless driving because it endangered other members of the public. And every single person that felt that fear is a different count. Now, he came in today and we had a teaching moment, and he has learned from that. And so out of that, we took the opportunity that we would help to shape the narrative to say to the public, this is what you do not do. We have with us today Justice Ken Shaw from the St. Angela Magistrates Association. And he's here for one reason, to make sure we put an end to this aspect of the matter. And then my friend and I will start teaching.
Okay.
Justice Shaw.
Yes, Mr. Shaw.
Okay, we recognize your penitence. A little bit of a youthful exuberance, I think, took place.
Yes.
And this matter, as far as we are concerned, is now ended, it's now closed.
Yes.
So we move on to the next phase.
Okay.
And the next phase is that you're going to join us in teaching others how to keep the road.
Definitely.
Safe.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Your name
Thanks.
for the record, please?
Dennis Dietrich.
Spell that for me.
Dietrich.
What do you do?
I'm a personal assistant from Mr. Angelo.
And this is a perfect example why Jamaica can't go forward. Too much corruption in the place. So people, if this was a regular taxi man, You know, say them would have bangle him, them would have kick him up and thump him up before them carry him in. But no, this guy drive a Benz. And from the look of it, him look like him a forward from a very wealthy family. Okay, so he's just getting not even a slap on the wrist, but him just a walk free, so. This is the exact reason why Jamaica can't go forward. Me can't go back to the X5 case again. The X5 youth, the truth, the people in Pitney. People in Pitney dead. Now come back enough because him dead. Dead. Them will never see him again. But what happened? The man who do the shooting just walk free. And we don't know say a whole heap of loophole in other case there. And the same thing we see right here so now. Why everything can level? Why you have to have upper class and lower class? Why classism have so rampant in the country? Because me know say if I did me do that, definitely me know say me would go jail. Jail never miss me. Them a charge me for reckless driving. Them a charge me for speeding. Yo, the list of charges where them a go charge me for. Long from here so go down to the ground. And this man just a walk with free. And not only just walk with free, no. Him have a press conference. And I say him sorry. So the next time me a drive without no insurance and police catch me, me a go tell them say me need a press conference and me a tell them say me sorry. The next time police catch me a speed, I do probably 20 over the speed limit. Me just tell the policeman say, brother, me sorry, I want a press conference because I want TVJ, Gleaner, Star, Observer, everybody there. I'm sorry. People, are them thing here I mash up the country. You see me? Them thing here I mash up the country. You can quick for call a press. You can quick for call a press conference for this hombre where speed and could have kill somebody. But when Spice a keep her treat, you can't call a press conference for that and say, yo, Spice is keeping a treat. I want everybody to go and support it. I want all these big corporate companies to go and support it. Because Spice is keeping a treat and it's for the kids. But this nincompoop do not in the middle road. Wanna keep a press conference and hail him as a hero. Jaja. People, don't forget. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and leave a like on the video. Comment in the comment section as well and tell me your thoughts. Chaddy TV and I'm out.